Hello everyone, and welcome to, back to Ratchet and Clank.
It's been forever, hasn't it?
It has been quite a while.
Now do you remember how to play this game?
Thankfully, it's about the same controls.
You had to think for a moment.
But I think we completed this area? Did we? That looks completed to me.
Greetings,
No!
Dispense with the
No!
Yes.
That's not what I wanted.
Yeah, all missions complete.
Oh, where did it say all missions complete?
Go back.
No.
Push X. All missions complete.
Yay!
It's gonna be a long day.
Well, I thought we completed them, I just couldn't remember. And unlike this game, I don't have to collect a certain amount of precursor ores. This is just, I can come back as many times as I want. Nebula City, Blarg Station. Yay! Yes or no station! We do need to go back to some of the previous places when we get equipment from here.
The thingies, with the things.
Because I think this is where we get the swing shot? I think.
He's thinking again.
Yeah, thankfully, the controls were pretty, they were pretty similar. I mean, they weren't drastically different from each other. Throw it, though. That's choosing my weapons. Oh, I already have the stick shot.
If I were to guess, it would be the Magna boots you get here.
Yeah, it's the grinding boots. That's a definite. That's one of the things we get for sure. I'm just trying to remember how to throw mine. I mean, without zooming in. I thought I could throw it without zooming in. But I guess not. Oh, there we are. Okay.
You actually have to crouch.
Okay, so basically, it's the opposite. The crouch is the exact opposite side of Jak and Daxter. Instead of R1 for crouch, R2 and R1 both do the same thing. I'm guessing you just have just one button.
Up the gas.
Yeah. I don't care. It's a little bit more lenient in this game.
Oh yeah, he's got 4 hit points now.
And it's a lot easier to get him back. And I have lots of weapons.
I'm waiting for the death screen now.
Come, my minions.
Took a little while for them to get over that.
Yeah, I was wondering where they were.
These enemies, try a Gadgetron Plus. Available at any Gadgetron vendor.
Oh, whoa.
It gives you sound right there.
Yeah, I noticed. The sound was just like...
What sound? You don't get no sound.
Oh.
There's the death screen.
Yeah. But again, not as bad as...
Yeah, because, you know, Clank's not all up in your face about changing back.
I have this thing, right? I have this thing. Yes, I do.
Hooray, lovely fun time.
There we go. No, it's fine. One is there. God. I'm trying to use a different ring! God. That is annoying. There we go. Switching the rings was the most difficult part of that whole thing. Oh, that's not what I meant to do.
Hooray, button!
Physics! Ratchet can't go out into space right now.
Like a bolt's as big as your noggin.
I remember that being a pain, though. Or one of the gold bolts in here. I'm not sure which one it is. Using Clank is a lot better in this one than it is in later games. Clank seems to have gotten, like, naturally bigger in the later games.
I believe that would be called Ego.
Jump.
Well, there is that.
Press and hold the X button again while in the air to
I
fly.
believe that would be Ego at its finest. Okay, clip through it. Sure, why not?
Why? Let me help. See, the gold bolt is right.
On the other side of that, yes.
Yeah. I don't remember.
How to get to it.
Yeah. Because there's nothing really just straight leading to it. Gosh darn it, really?
I like how you didn't even attempt to attack those
Attack what?
boxes.
Oh, because they're metal boxes. They're not. That's one thing. They do not have, other than the explosive ones, they do not have different types of boxes in here. I remember doing that a million times over trying to get over there and not being able to make it, so I'm going to do something else.
And he's still not going to make it. Meanwhile, I'm going to cheat over here and I'm not going to tell him.
Oh, you're going to look up the way to do it?
Yeah, but I'm not going to tell you it.
That's fine. So I remember trying from here and dying a lot. Thankfully, I remember this frustration somehow. And
It's ingrained into him.
hello. Give me all the bolts.
Well, that would certainly explain why he can't get it right now. He's playing as the wrong character.
Okay. Yeah. Well, you said you weren't gonna tell me.
All I say is you're playing as the wrong character. That doesn't tell you jack squat.
Well, it tells me I have to be Ratchet.
Probably missed a bolt or two behind you, but oh well.
Well, that's not the boxes are what matters, because that actually is like a challenge or whatever. You only have to do it once, but to get all the traits.
In each stage.
Yeah.
Probably without dying too, since I'm sure they respawn.
No, they don't respawn. They're like precursor. They only respawn when you leave the planet and come back. But yeah, honestly, the amount of bolts that you get playing as Clank are so insignificant as far as the amount of them. that it's like not too much fun.
Deet, 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 deet. That looks fun.
I want a game break here so bad. Just somehow make it over there. Somehow.
All I'm gonna say is no.
Actually, I have an idea as to how I might be able to do that.
He's got an idea. We're in trouble.
Hey, my last idea worked, and then I fell into space.
I thought I was the one who said that you should try and make it. Never mind.
Did it totally skip me? Oh no, okay, I'm just back here. I completely forgot where I was at for a second. Are you? You can't grip a stupid platform, Clank!
Of course not. Not when you're playing.
The giant hands he has.
Not when you're playing. I just wanted to be your friend.
Ah, he has no jump!
Still like how you clip through that one piece.
In Dragon Xer?
No, in this. You're just clipping through, you know,
Oh,
CD.
yeah. Because that's... I think that's because of the remastering. Dang, okay, well, that's not gonna work.
It's like, oh, you know, that
That makes me sad.
it's real to an extent, but it's not real.
Ow.
Oh! Combo!
Gosh!
Combo!
I couldn't even react!
Combo! That's how we lose 3 hit points in about 2 seconds.
No! He grabs hold of it and then he just lets go. He's just like...
Bugger this, I only have 1 hit point left, I'm done. Hey, we're failing again!
Okay, alright.
Good old fails, I've missed you.
Concentration must turn on. Turn on the... Oh, crap. Okay, well, concentration broken.
He had it, then he lost it.
Lightning, lightning, lightning. Come on. Faster!
Move faster, Clank!
So slow!
Especially since he only uses 2 fingers on each hand. 2 out of 3.
Look here, I want it. I want it so much.
You can't have it.
Unfortunately, with it being space, I can't see any realistic way of breaking.
Well, if it really was space, there wouldn't be a need for gravity.
Yeah, that's the other thing. There's gravity here. It's supposed to be space.
You
In
have just
space.
activated a Gadgetbot. To command a Gadgetbot, hold down the triangle button and select Wait, Follow, Attack, or Enter.
Anything up here?
Walking on things, but...
Nope. Cannot do anything to him.
Except for these lovely little faces. Arr!
Dang it. I don't know what I was hoping to accomplish there, but I was hoping I could do something game break. Like, why can't I go up here?
Just keep hoping.
Why can't I go up here? Oh, whatever.
You're not ready to go up there yet.
Moving on!
Oh, wait, we're finally moving? Okay.
Oh, I lost 2. Lost 2 of my little minion people.
Maybe you should do something about that.
Come on. Back when Clank had cool hacking abilities.
Use the
Back when his ego wasn't overinflated.
Is this the water gun? Can't remember what it is. Yeah. Yep, water gun.
Hooray for the ability to shrink a gun.
The Gadgetron Hydro Displacer uses Insta faucets and Insta drains. Using it, you can drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect any on this space station.
Well, if you had detected some, I'd like to know where.
Oh, there is a previous area that we can go to and use that. I don't see the point of this being open right here, but...
Maybe he just wants to be open, be open.
I'm coming for you, Gold Bolt. You shall be mine.
But not today.
Shall be mine today.
I'm back.
So you are.
And I found this.
Hey, cool. It's a, what is it?
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those. I guess.
I guess. I need the gold bolt. But I don't know how to get it. Oh, let's see what the new weapon is.
Hi there, Buzzball.
Can I just
Oh, that's
get
a
all the
nice
ammo at once? Where's all the ammo? Oh, there's the new weapon.
The Taunter.
Just get it off the screen if I have it all.
Did you know you can place any gadget or weapon on your quick select? Just pause and choose quick select.
I don't care. I have everything I need right here. What is it? That's that. So I need to switch those things.
I have everything I need.
I do have everything I need there. It's just I need to... Oh, shoot.
You just unequipped it. He's got to be fancy. Everything's got to be...
What does the taunter do again? Get what the taunter does.
Probably makes some sort of loud noise.
This shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned Larg warship. Our scanners indicate that there may be useful technology on board.
Cool. Oh! Didn't mean to do it so early, but I meant to open up my quick select.
No, it's a real nice thing that they left this decommissioned ship right here.
Now let's go right on back to the space station. Waiting. Is that Advance Wars?
Yeah, it's cool strike.
I like Advance Wars.
I actually like Hazer Boom too. Gotta find stuff. the gas.
I forgot, did I complete this area? What's this straight button?
It is not the get eaten button. I can tell you that much.
Oh, I guess there wasn't a straight button.
Get eaten!
I'm trying to find the straight button, where is it? Nope, nope.
O44 button not found.
Yeah, it's definitely the grind thing. Man, the long jump in this is so much easier. No.
Straight into the gas.
I guess that one doesn't go away. I want my straight.
We're not going anywhere anytime soon. Again.
Actually, no. Forget it.
It is forgotten.
No. I would have left. Forget all you. Just get out of my way.
Pew pew pew.
It's not even a pew pew pew, it's just like Nope. Don't even care.
More trespassers.
In the later ones it just auto activates.